back with another video. Today we're hitting shoulders, delts, and yeah, pretty simple. I mean, today I'm gonna be trying out the new weights, that bag. It's not really new weights. It's just like I put it in a bag that's actually like clean and not like torn apart. So yeah, we trying that, and yeah, today's gonna be pretty simple. I mean, I have some potatoes ready to make after Delt day I go eat. But yeah, let's get this workout in.
With my determination, because your impulses are telling you to stop. It's hurting. Why would you carry on? Just stop now. But no, there's a goal at the end that I want to get to. So in order to achieve that goal, I'm willing to go through the pain, and I will go through the pain. And I will take pride in the fact that I was able to do that.
Be the guy who embraces the ugly and miserable. Be the guy who embraces hard work, the grind. Don't be afraid of being hurt.
Yo, I just finished the Delt day, the shoulders. Oh, that was a good workout. But yeah, we're done. Gonna try to upload this video on Monday. So, yeah, just like, make more videos. That's the goal here, right? Next video will be arm day. Yeah, arm day. We'll be on the next video. So yeah, tomorrow I got school. Yeah, life is decent. Today, getting education this weekend. I just been sleeping like crazy. It's like, I got good sleep last night. Great sleep, like 8, 9 hours of sleep. But in the middle of that, I just feel so, I feel like extremely tired. I slept for like 3 hours, 4 hours. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on with me. I just been sleeping a lot, dude. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, besides that, life was good. There was a little bit of a stressful day because my mom was, back to it, but it's whatever. How many times it's decent. So like for Delt Day, like you guys on the videos, you guys see me like doing what's it called, lateral raises with the bag, but I also do other things. So like, let's say that I do a set of lateral raises on my left and right arm, right? After I do that, I used, you see those bottles over there? Wait, yeah, those bottles with the gold caps. I use those and I do lateral raises with those. Like I always do a drop set for pretty much everything, right? And then after that, until I go to failure. Like beyond failure, obviously. After that, I go to failure on that. Then I just leave my arms up. Like I keep on doing this over and over until like I feel like a burning sensation. And I keep on like pretty much the goal is to feel as much burning sensation as possible. And then when it stops after like 5-6 minutes of like the burning sensation being there, then I go back to do another set. Now then the burning sensation comes back. Yeah, I do that for 4 sets. So let's say I did two sets of lateral raises, so right arm and left arm of lateral raises. After that, I do set till beyond failure on the bottles over there. And then after that, I use my arm and just focus on feeling the burning sensation as much as possible. And I do that 4 times. So yeah, that's what I do for Delts. That works the best for me, and honestly, in my eyes, the way to build as much muscle as possible, training wise, is just to feel as much pain in the muscle as possible. More burning sensation, the more I feel my delts, the better the pump, the more it grows. And I think that's pretty common sense. I feel like everybody should think that way, but I don't know. So yeah, that's like, I don't believe in like just doing a set and that's it. I don't believe in doing like 4 plain sets. Like, come on, man. Not only is that not fun, it's just like I don't think that will build you. Like, yeah, it'll probably get you some gains, but you can make so much more progress faster if you just did more. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I do. I pretty much do drop sets for everything. It's the only thing I don't do. I do drop sets for back too, but. The only difference is it's not really a drop set. I just do pull-ups, do like 5, 6 sets of pull-ups, and then I go to barbell rows or some rows, right? I do rows after that. It's basically a double set, not a drop set, right? So yeah, I'm about to go make my food. I'm about to go head back. Yeah. So yeah, simple. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of thinking of recording an arm day today and then having that scheduled to be posted on Tuesday or on Saturday. I don't know. I might do it. But actually probably not, because I gotta do a lot of arms today. And yeah, I'm probably not gonna do that. So arm day will probably be posted most likely on Saturday. But yeah, pretty much it. Nothing else we could talk about. Go get my food. Yeah, I'm gonna try a new editing thing where I in the beginning of the video, you see me put down some stuff and stuff. I saw that in one of my somebody else that does like this same kind of videos I do. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. And it doesn't seem too hard, so I'll try it out. But yeah, besides that, life is good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, everybody go. I'm going to school tomorrow, yada yada. Just can't wait for school to be over. That can like post like a lot of videos. Like that would be lit. Dude, I'm telling you right now. Like I'm really going to be on the grind this summer. Know what I'm saying? So yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the video. I'll catch you guys in the next day. Yeah, have a good one, man.